Welcome to Bobbi Jo's. Today I'm going to be reviewing a smart kitchen scale by Arboleaf. Okay, it has an app you need to download to go with the scale. Okay, it already has the batteries in it. Let me turn it around the correct way. Okay, we're going to get it to 0. This is where you change your units, but I want it to stay on ounces. I'm just going to do some pecans. 1 ounce is 200 calories, so I just want to make sure I have a 1 ounce serving. Oops, that's a little more than, nope, that's exactly 1 ounce. So basically, no, a little over. Let's remove some. All right, so that's 1 ounce. That's 1 serving. It added the information in that's on the back of this bag. So that's kind of cool. So all you have to do is just weigh your food, connect your scale via Bluetooth, then it'll pull up whatever you put in there is on that scale, and you can add it to your food diary. So the main thing I use a scale for is measuring out the ingredients for my sourdough bread. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to change, well, the unit is on grams. I was going to say we're going to change the unit to grams, but it's on grams. Going to place the bowl on, hit tare, where it'll 0 it out. And we need 500 grams of flour. It's unbleached King Arthur bread flour. Here we go, 500 grams. I'm going to tare it out to 0. We need 12 grams of sugar. All right, there's 12 grams of sugar. There's 9 grams of salt. My next ingredient is my sourdough starter. You want active, bubbly sourdough starter when you're making your bread. I fed this yesterday, bubbly and active. And we need 50 grams. Oops, went a little over there, so we're going to remove a little bit. And there's 50 grams of sourdough starter. If you make bread, it's best to weigh your ingredients for exact measurements. So that's when the scale comes in handy. And if you want to see how I make my sourdough sandwich bread, you want the full-length video, just go to my video description. I'll put the full-length video in there. So you have your multiple units, tare function where you 0 it out, custom shutdown, calorie tracking, just the button that you touch to go turn on, and nutrition facts. So that is the scale. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.